Which one would you choose? You have 72 hours to survive. Two worlds. Choose. First, the Persian. She leads you through the gate. The European castle. But wait. Look down. What did you expect? Ha 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 ha. Carry the tray. Smile. This is your job now. You're wearing an apron. Your meal? Stale bread, of course. And whatever you do, don't upset the Persian. One bad mood, that's it for you. Survival ability? Depends on her mood. Second, the Bengal, ancient Egypt. You're safe here. The pharaoh welcomes you, not as a servant, as a guest. A secret treasure room, gold everywhere. Ancient scrolls, secrets no one has read in 1,000 years. A golden bed, servants fanning you. A grand feast, all for you. Step outside. The Nile glows at sunset. The Bengal finds you. Survival ability? 100%. Drop your answer below.